Has Google Plus changed search forever? Well, we think so. Keep watching to see why. Hi, my name's Victor, and I'm the Video SEO Hound, and I've dug up some interesting stuff to share with you about Google Plus and Google Search. As a dog that studies marketing, I've learned that a lot of stuff that happens nowadays starts online, whether you're looking to buy a car, get your dog washed, or go on vacation. Do stuff. It usually starts online. And when it starts online, it starts with search. I happen to know a thing or two about how search engines work, being the Video SEO Hound and all. Plus, I know that the best type of advertising you can get is when a friend tells you that they like something you happen to be looking for. That's what I call word-of-mouth advertising. You trust your friend more than you trust a website, right? Well, what if a friend was able to tell you about a website that sold the stuff you wanted whenever you were looking for it? And what if it could happen even if the friend was not around at the time? Kind of like they left a trail that you could sniff out about what they liked online. Well, believe it or not, that's actually happening right now. Let me give you an example. Let's say I'm a dog. Not too hard to imagine, right? And I like dog bones. Yum. And my best friend is also a dog. His name is Fido, and his man is named Mark. By the way, my man is named Ronnie. Okay, back to the story. So I'm looking for the best, most tasty dog bones my man Ronnie can buy for me. But I'm not sure where to find them, so I tell my man Ronnie to go online. My paws are just too big to type, and the mouse keeps running away. Okay, I tell my man Ronnie to go online and look for tasty dog bones. And this is what he comes up with. Look at that, he says. I know that Fido's man Mark must have been looking for dog bones as well, cause look, he +1'd this website that sells tasty dog bones. We must have typed in the same words to find those tasty dog bones. What a coincidence. Well, if Fido's man Mark says that the tasty dog bones he got from this site were good enough to tag with a +1, that's the new version of liking, then those must be some sweet, tasty dog bones. We should get ours from there too. Bam! Word-of-mouth advertising just happened online using what Google calls social signals. They got these social signals because both Mark and Ronnie use Google+. Let's take a closer look at those search result pages again. Mr. Ronnie types into Google those delicious words, tasty dog bones. Just so you know, this is what it looks like if Mr. Ronnie is not signed in to any Google service. And this is what it looks like if he is signed into a Google service. But Mr. Mark has not left his mark yet. We know that because there is nothing special about the results we're seeing. Later, it turns out that Mr. Mark +1 this site, kind of like he left his paw print on it saying that this place has some tasty dog bones. Google knows that Mr. Ronnie and Mr. Mark know each other inside this place called Google+. And Google even suggests on the Google search results that Mr. Ronnie should thank Mr. Mark for the great dog bone tip. And since Mr. Ronnie is a nice guy, he decides to thank Mr. Mark for the tip by clicking on the handy Thank Mark link just above his head there. And up pops a place for Mr. Ronnie to thank Mr. Mark using Google+. It's already addressed to Mark and ready to go. Ronnie adds a little extra text to the built-in message just to personalize it some and shares it with that green button. Google then tells Mr. Ronnie on the very same search page that the thanks message was sent. Pretty handy if you ask me. And the conversation continues between Mr. Ronnie and Mr. Mark on Google+. In the meantime, Mr. Ronnie went and purchased the tasty dog bones from the website, and I'm a happy dog. What just happened there was pretty amazing stuff. Word-of-mouth advertising all done online because of the social signals that Google used to help a dog out. That's how I think Google Plus has changed search. Pretty neat if you ask me. Here endeth the lesson. Now go make conversation on Google Plus, and I'll go chew on my tasty dog bones. See ya.